Okay, now we are going to create a Python program to concatenate the elements contained in a list. For example, if we write the list numbers, we create that variable and assign this list literal. To create a list literal, use square parentheses and write the content 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We have now the list number with 5 elements 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Now, using the print function, we can show in the standard output, it is the terminal, the content of that list. That is a basic operation. Nothing new to this moment. Here is the list with elements 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Now, how do we can concatenate, create a string with the content of that list? It is very easy. We need to use the join function. The join function is an instance method of the string objects. Okay. To do that operation, first we can store the result in this variable with the same name, result. Create the empty string and call the join method and pass as an argument the list number. Nothing more. And finally, we present the content of the result variable and execute this code. Okay, and we have a type error. We have this error because the list doesn't contain a string elements. It has integer elements. These elements. We need to convert those elements to a string. That operation is very easy using a list comprehension. So we iterate the numbered list using this loop, this for loop. And each n element that is contained in the numbered list will be converted to a string. So we need to use the str function and pass as argument the n number. That is all what need to do to complete that operation. We execute again this code and we get this string 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 or 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 1. In the join method we can specify, for example, a separator. For example, we can use the semicolon, and this will be the appearance of the result here. 2, semicolon, 3, semicolon, 5, etc. Okay.